Hello, my beautiful Globetrotters. Today I want to speak to you about GT Apparel and our game-changing gear that we have available for you guys to make your horse riding holiday easy. Packing for a horse riding holiday is slightly more specialised than packing for, say, a beach holiday or a city break. I've honed my packing to a very fine art over the last 20 years. I have a capsule wardrobe that I take at a moment's notice. I can jump on a globetrotting ride knowing that I have foundational pieces to keep me dry and to keep me warm. I always love to use the phrase dress like an onion, and that there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad gear. I'm going to talk to you about one of the most essential items in my packing list is a vest. This is our GT Apparel vest. It's the black vest. There's two versions. I specifically love this vest. I've been wearing the sample for 6 months and it has not skipped a beat. It's chic, it's stylish, but is, also very effective in keeping you warm. The first reason that I love this vest and that we designed it the way we did is its double zips. So you can zip it up to the top, or also when you're on the saddle, you can zip it accordingly so that it doesn't bubble. I love that. When you get hot, you can also, I find myself zipping to the middle as well. It's just so versatile. The other wonderful thing is, and I'll show you on my sample here, it has, this inner lining is also really lovely, the globetrotting there, but it has a specific hidden pocket, which has a zip as well. So you will be able to put your phone, your chapstick, anything like that, and it's secure and it's zipped up. The other thing are the two pockets on the side also have zips as well, which is hard to see in this video with the black because it's black on black. But these pockets are zipped so that you know, peace of mind, that nothing's going to flop out when you're riding if you zip it up. The other thing I love is it's tailored at the back, so the hem just goes that little bit lower. Again, it's just that little bit more stylish. It's rain resistant. I love the high collar, and it's machine washable. It's a no-brainer. It's $150. I've only, and it's a key piece to your globetrotting wardrobe to set you up for success. I live in my vest and I absolutely love it. So yeah, there you go.